Today we're just gonna finish up our one-player Pong game. So I'm gonna go over to our application properties by clicking on the title here. And then down here in our properties, we can choose our build type. Standalone application is what we want. And then we can choose our file name for build here. And then we're just gonna click on our install settings. And it's informed me that I have not built it yet, and it needs to be built for the install program to be built. So I'm going to press yes, and now it asks me where I want to save it. It puts this spot defaultly at the spot where we had this build file name here. And then I'm going to press save, and then we can see it's saving it. And then we have our install settings here. I'm just going to look. We have one player Pong is our name of our application. And then we have program files and titles where it's going to install it. Program files wherever this program files folder is on your computer, no matter which drive it's on, it's going to locate that. That's what these number signs mean. And then the number sign and then the title refers to the title that we entered here. You can see it says that. And then we can choose our font here. I'm going to choose a nice font for this. Let's see. How about Verdana? Size 10. Okay. And we can preview it and see what it will look like. Just press exit. And then we have file options here. And we can do shortcuts and add it to the start menu. It's by default on that, as we can see by the number sign and then title. And then we have our texts here. I'm going to leave these as they are. And then we have uninstaller options. I'll leave these as well. And then we have build here. So let's click build install program. And I've named it Pong setup. And then we can press save. And it will build our install program. And now it has been built. So we can press OK. And then we can just run this installer that we made by going to the directory where it's located. We can just find where we saved it. Okay, here it is. So let's double click on it and we can open it. We're going to run it. And now we can install it on our computer. We just press next, and we can choose an install directory. I'm just going to leave it as default. Next, start installing. One player Pong has been successfully installed, and we can press exit, and we can go to start all programs, and we can see it was installed here. So we can just click it and notice that we have our game here. Now the install program was also set to add a shortcut to our desktop, so we can see we have a shortcut here. And then, let's see, have, we have one more thing after, let's look what it also installed. It also installed an uninstall program. So if we just click this, we can see that this will uninstall Pong from our computer, and now it is uninstalled and it is gone. That is all for our Pong series.